Hi students, I am going to do 10th standard SSLC lesson Colors of Silence. Because due to Corona, most of the students not gone to schools, not attended properly, not understood properly the lessons, I think so. So to help the students, I am going to do this lesson briefly, try to understand and read the books regarding this story, understand properly, face the exam, get the score. My dear students, this is a story of a boy who got influenced by a bird. Even we have handicapped person, even our organs are absent. Some of the organs are absent for many people. But you should not be desperate. You have to do anything. God has given many things to achieve. Even a man looks to be a useless. So this story tells about a boy how he will become a great man in the society even though he is unfit to do anything. A boy by name Satish goes with his father and his brother in the Satish goes with father and his brother in the outside. He crosses the bridge. He stops over the bridge. The bridge was on the rapids. Under swirling water with beautiful scenery. The boy looks at the rapids go on looking. Unfortunately, he slips down, fall down, and when he got up, his leg was plaster cast. And there was lot of injuries over the body was bleeding. Then he comes back to home, he was on the bed. The leg was operated, even though he could not recover from the injury. Then he was suffering from those pains over the years and was on the bed. His friend comes and asks him to again resume the school, but he could not. The school people rejected him to get admission to the school because he was dumb, he could not hear. But his father was Goldman. He did not reject the school going. He told the school people that administration, we will see another school. But the boy was confined to bed. He was just like a dumb show, looking dumb show on the bed. He could not be silent. He wanted to shout, but he did not. Doctor thought due to medicines he was behaving like that. Ultimately he said, I do not go to the school. But father was still anxious to send him to the school. He tries many schools. Wherever he approaches, the only answer was, we cannot keep that boy because he can't hear. The boy comes home, slept over the bed long time. One day while looking through the window, he see a bird with beautiful designs for the body. The bird jumps, flies far, far, farther. It was very active. It influences the boy. Then the boy draws the bird very beautifully. And again it takes the papers there, goes on drawing. If father looks about this and suggests not to write anything, this gives him no income. You will spoil the life. Education only builds the man. But the boy did not stop his deed. He goes on drawing. One day his father looks at him, stared at him, and the boy was still writing even though his father was looking. He thought father was scolding internally, but he could not hear. That was the luck. So one day That day father goes back. He comes after some time with a lot of drawing papers, different brushes, variety of colors with him. He comes to him and keeps everything on the table. The boy was wondered how his hunger father suddenly changed his activities, became calm. He was very happy. So he embraced his father with love and tears comes over his cheek. The tears we can say happy tears. Sometimes when we get more happy, we get tears, we do cry. Similarly, that boy cried. And he goes on writing, drawing. Because he was an expert in writing. He knows Urdu handwriting very well because he was fast writer of Urdu. Was always writing Urdu words. This influenced him very lot to draw these pictures. Then, notes ones. So, my dear students, he became a greatest artist, one of the greatest artists. Ultimately, Satish Gujral is nothing but a Satish Gujral. He is a foremost artist of the generation. He was famous artist. That famous artist Satish Gujral is nothing this boy. So my dear students, through this lesson, what we can learn actually? We should not be desperate. Whatever happens, many fastest runners, many singers, many artists who are handicapped persons. Today we have seen many people like Satish. Many blind people also you see TV. Many blind people how nicely they sing. They have become famous and earn lot of money. So taking all these incidents, what we conclude is, what you inform is, we should not be afraid of anything. We should go forward, look forward, not backward. Thank you, my dear students. If you like this video, if you are really interested, if you got some benefit, you just subscribe and appreciate me. Thank you.